Only 1 month is left for IIT and you are a PCM student who hasn't started biology yet, then don't try to study the entire syllabus. According to the 2017 to 2025 IIT trend analysis, animal physiology and plant physiology have the highest weightage. But as a non-bio student who is starting now, I would not suggest you to jump into the toughest chapter first. Instead, focus on these independent and scoring chapters that any PCM student can prepare. Starting with the first chapter, that is cell biology, it builds basic biology understanding, so it will help you in biotechnology and molecular biology. Second would be biomolecules, it is a small and scoring chapter. Definitely यहाँ से direct questions भी आपको देखने को मिल सकते हैं. Then the third would be molecular biology because it seems logical to PCM students. यहाँ पे you could focus on DNA structures, central dogma, replication, transcription, translation, etc. Then the fourth chapter is genetics. Study molecular biology because वहाँ के concepts आपको यहाँ काम आएंगे. And genetics में you have to practice questions. Fifth would be biotechnology. It is very scoring once DNA concepts आपके clear हो जाते हैं तब. You could focus on PCR, gel electrophoresis, recombinant DNA technology, and applications. And the last chapter would be ecology. It is an independent and a memory-based chapter, so you can focus on topics like ecosystem, food chain, biogeochemical cycles, population interaction, etc. For revision, I would suggest कि आप reverse order में revision करना. That is ecology, then biotechnology, then genetics, and so on. And remember, practice is more important than reading theory again and again. That is why our IIT mock test series is already running. You can check that as well. If you have any problem during preparation, you can join our Telegram channel.